Hi babes, today we are doing a wedding makeup tutorial, so if you are looking for a wedding makeup, keep on watching because this is for you. So I already have my face cream on, now I'm gonna apply this BB cream and I'm gonna combine it with my favorite foundation, but for a natural finish I will just use this because I want a natural look, so I want to do a full coverage on my makeup today because I just don't want that. Now I will take this brush and I'm gonna blend my foundation with this. We want a natural look. We want a glam look, but not a really full one because we will be brides girls, so we need to look natural but beautiful and still glam, because who doesn't like glam makeup? I mean, really. Now we're just gonna blend this and be very careful to not forget about your neck, and just take your foundation down to your neck because it's very important to match your foundation with your neck, because I did this in the past and sometimes I just still forget to do this because I'm in a rush or something, and here we don't see a big difference, but when you go in the light and you have foundation on your face and on your neck you don't, it will look very strange and bad, and you don't want that. I mean, nobody wants that. It will look very bad. Okay, so now I will take this bronzer and I'm gonna define my cheeks, because we want defined cheeks, girls. We want to look snatched at our wedding. I wish I had a wedding right now, I mean my wedding, but no, still no. We'll see when this will happen. I hope it will happen very soon. I want to get my makeup. I mean, I think I will do my makeup for my wedding. I hope so. I just wouldn't have like the courage to just go to someone to make it for me, because I don't know, I don't really trust a lot of persons. And one time I just went to a salon and I wanted to get my makeup done for a photo shooting. I think it was in the 8th grade or something, and yeah, I did my makeup at a makeup artist which was really known, and when I got to my photo shoot and I started to do the photos, and I just looked at my mirror, my little mirror which I had in my pocket. I just saw the makeup and I didn't know what to do. Guys, it was so bad. I didn't like it, and to happen this at my wedding, I think I would die, honestly. I think I would die to just have a makeup that I just hate at my wedding. I can't, guys. And I think every girl in this life would relate to this, because just imagine doing your makeup at a salon, paying a lot of money, being so happy to have your wedding day, and someone to just come and mess your makeup on your big day. That's a mess, guys. I would definitely kill that person after that if someone would ruin my wedding. That's a very special moment, guys. Now, I forgot to tell you that I applied a little bit of highlighter here from this palette, and now I will take some powder from here, which I will apply under my eyes to set my makeup a little bit, on the lid also, because we don't wanna crease the lid. I mean, we don't want grease in the grease. What is happening to me today? I don't know. I don't want greasy lids, because that would mess the makeup up, so be careful with that, because this also can mess your makeup. It's not I mean, you don't need like especially a person to just mess your makeup. You can mess yours too very easily with some wrong steps. Now I took a little bit of brow soap and I'm gonna do my eyebrows, which obviously you normally know that I make them fluffy because that's my style, guys. I can't get enough of them. I will just do this like all my life. I don't know, until I will die. I think in my grave I will just have like myself with a mirror and with my eyebrows did like this, because this is my style, guys. I can't go on. I can't forget these brows. I will never do that, even if they will stop like being on trend in the next years. I won't give up on them. These are my little babies, like. And now, after you apply the soap, please don't forget to do this, because if you forget to do this, your eyebrows won't stay like this for too long. Press these bristles onto your skin until your hair will look like this. I mean, you will kind of, I don't know, tap your eyebrows until they will stay in place, and this will fix your eyebrows to just have this, I don't know, this style, this kind of look. That's the only thing that makes your eyebrows to look like this, if you just press them like this. If not, and if you only apply the soap, you will have them looking like they were before I did this. So look at them now. They are looking much more natural, and they are looking so good. Like, they are looking so nice right now. So now we're going to do the first eyeshadow, guys, and I'm gonna use this. I'm sorry for the hair, guys. I'm not really going to the wedding right now. Yeah, shockingly, but I'm sorry for the hair. It's super hot here, so just forgive me, because I did not have any time to do it, because I stayed with my niece in the last weekend. I did not have time to do it, so now I'm going to blend this eyeshadow very gently here. Now I will take a bigger blending brush, and I'm gonna blend this very gently here in my crease, because we don't want any lines, obviously. We want this to look as perfect as we can and as smooth as we can, because it's our wedding day, guys. We need to be hyped up, and what better thing to hype you up is than makeup, honestly. Makeup is hyping me up so much. It's making me so happy. And in the days when I just don't have time to film and do my makeup, I'm just feeling so sad, guys. I think like makeup is some kind of therapy for me. So now we're going to make an eyeliner with glitter, and for this part I won't talk, because I won't talk. I can't talk at this part. So let's do it. Oh my god, look how nice that looks. Look how nice that looks, guys. So cute. Okay, now this line is done. Now let's do the eyeliner. Mute mode again here, because I can't talk. I don't know why I can't talk when I'm doing my eyeliner. I'm just so... Look, I'm just stop talking. I will just stop talking. Now I will do the other eye, and I will come back with the eyelashes. I think it even looks nice with this hair, and it's not even done. And it makes me feel so confident, guys. You need to try this look. I mean, I'm so confident right now. I feel so good. I feel so, I don't know, I feel so ready, guys, for the wedding. So your girl Glammedblondie finished her job, and now we are looking flawless. If you like this video, go and press that like, bell, and subscribe button, because we will meet a little bit later. Now I'm going to my wedding.